Bonjour et bienvenue sur ma chaîne YouTube. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn months and days in French. Les mois de l'année, months of the year, and les jours de la semaine, the days of the week. Let's start with les mois de l'année. Janvier, January. February. Mars, March. Avril, April. May, May. Juin, June. Juillet, July. Août, August. Septembre, September. Octobre, October. Novembre, November. Et décembre, December. Now I am quickly going to repeat the months one more time so you can listen to the pronunciations clearly. Janvier, Février, Mars, Avril, Mai, Juin, Juillet, Août, Septembre, Octobre, Novembre, Décembre. Next topic, les jours de la semaine, the days of the week. Let's start. Lundi, Monday. Mardi, Tuesday. Mercredi, Wednesday. Jeudi, Thursday. Vendredi, Friday. Samedi, Saturday. Et dimanche, Sunday. One more time, and this time repeat after me. Lundi, Mardi, Mercredi, Jeudi, Vendredi, Samedi, Dimanche. That's it for today's video. If you have any doubt, ask me in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you soon in the next one. Au revoir.